Hello brothers and sisters, let me present you this beautiful timepiece from Audemars Piguet. But first, the unboxing. Alright, so this is the box of my latest sketch, what is an Audemars Piguet Royal Oak 41mm, the 15400 ST ref numbered version. That is the older version of this Royal Oak model, because the latest is the 15500, and that's all. Let's open the box. As you see here, we have got a nicely decorated but very elegant green paper box with a little AP logo and the Audemars Piguet and La Bessus sign. If we open it now, we find an inner wooden box, but first we find also lots of booklets of the watch. We have got here the original bill. The watch is from 2016, as you see, and this is the warranty card part inside the booklet, and this is how it looks like. We have got here a quick user manual how to operate the watch, and another booklet of the movement. This is it. In a wooden box is also worth to look, because this is amazingly done, very high quality, really high end. Even there is sign at the bottom of the box. This is how it looks like. It's green, it's lacquered, and this is how it opens. Just look, perfectly open, perfectly closes. I really love it. Inside we find some leather textures and parts. This is a little pillow where you put the watch, very elegant style, and also Audemars Piguet written there, and you see those little golden stifts what holds the box. So here we go with the watch again. After the unboxing, the watch is on my wrist. As you see, the main element or the biggest show of the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, if you ask me, yes, one is the dial, but the real big show for me is this amazing bracelet. What is a killer bracelet, kills all the other stainless steel bracelets on the market, if you ask me. These little elements, those little pins, and the shiny parts with the polished, highly polished parts and the brushed parts, it's simply amazing. And as you see, there is a little sunshine here in this room, and even in this little sunshine, not too strong, it is not summer, and this is inside the house, and also with this little sun touch, this watch is reflecting super shiny. I simply love it. This is really amazing, and none of Patek Philippe or Rolex or any other brand can give you this shine with the bracelet. If you ask me, the best looking bracelet on the market is the one of the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak models, since it was developed or designed by Gerald Genta. So this is it. If you check, there is a cool AP logo on the clasp, and I cannot stop watching how it rolls on my wrist. But if we open it, we just have to push these two little buttons, and now it opens like heaven. Listen to that sound, absolutely amazing if you ask me. That is the clasp, very well signed and great looking and greatly working. The watch case is 41 millimeter, what is totally good enough or perfect for my wrist size. Maybe for a guy with a smaller wrist, this is maybe too big. For them, the 40 millimeter version or the new 39 millimeter version is the optimal. And if we check the dial, you already must have seen this is the blue version, the blue dial version. I hope it's possible to catch on camera how deep blue is this, and I hope you see this beautiful tapestry dial. I hope I use the correct French phrase. So this very highly and beautifully textured dial is another show of the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak, what is, I think, much nicer than you can have one, for example, on a Patek Philippe Nautilus or even the Aqua. So this is it. This is how beautifully it is made. Look at those nice big indexes, nice big hands, and we also got a very small date window, what is really hiding on the watch, and it's nearly just small as a little square on the dial. Exactly, it's double big than one square as I see, but this is really small and really hiding, and it's not breaking the consistency of the dial. So this is how it looks like. I really love it. And of course, I guess you all know the famous Gerald Genta design, the Royal Oak. You know, the thin case, you see these lugs, you see the integrated bracelet and the end links, and you see how the full watch is in a perfect match with each other, with all the elements. Everything is great here. And even you can check the little screws on the bezel are set in the correct direction to give a beautiful harmonic look. Simply amazing if you ask me. And let's make this beauty run. We have to screw out the crown, of course, because this is 100 meter water resistant with the screwing crown. With 2 pulls you can manipulate the time, moving the hands forward or backward. As you see, the second hand is hacking second. If you push it back, the watch started to run. You can also wind the watch with hand, of course, but this is an automatic movement. I will show the movement soon because it has got a see-through Claysback Sapphire crystal. And we have just wound the watch. And of course, with the first click, we can change the date disc easily, like a perfect luxury timepiece. Only one thing what is not that good I experienced in a Patek Philippe is the screw backing. You can easily ruin it. So you have to a little backward, push it, and then forward. With the Patek Philippe Aqua Nautilus, this works much smoother. Only that way is better with a Patek, I think, at least in the look. Because if we are talking about the movements, of course, this watch, let me bring it closer a bit. Oh yes. So this watch and this movement, once is a very durable movement. You see those huge and 2 feet, or how to say, so a very huge balance bridge what is fixed at 2 points. So this is not a half bridge, this is a full bridge with anti-shock protection. So this is really a robust movement, really for a sports watch, because this is a stainless steel, but luxury sports watch, of course. And at the balance wheels, if I stop it, let me stop it, screw out, pull out, and now you see the balance wheel stopped. So if you check those little weights on the balance, you know what is the balance. That is the golden cover circle, if you don't know what is that. So those little screws are little weights, what is good for, or the best solution to regulate the watch, to set the balance dance correctly, because that is what measure, or this is what determines the accurate running of the timepiece, so how accurate the movement we run. And with those little weights, this can be set perfectly. So this is it. And if we push it back, screw it back again, okay, now you will see the balance wheel starting to run again, or dance. And you see this is automatic movement. That is the rotor with the huge and the beautiful golden engraving, AP and Audemars Piguet sign and logo, and those little signs, what was the family, the Audemars and Piguet family's national symbols, or how to say that. So that is something from the history. So this amazing solid gold rotor powers the watch, what is a very robust movement. And the point is, this is not an AP in-house movement, because this is a Jaeger-LeCoultre movement. At least the base is a Jaeger-LeCoultre movement, but I don't really know how is the correct situation in watch business. But AP, the brand or the family who owns AP, owned 51% of the Jaeger-LeCoultre for a long time. So this is why, or this is the one reason why AP uses lots of Jaeger-LeCoultre movements in Royal Oaks or Royal Oak offshores. And the other reason is the Jaeger-LeCoultre is one of the best movement manufacturer of the world, so you don't have to worry about it. So this is how it looks like. This is the watch, how it looks like. And because this is not a diver watch but also a cool sporty piece, let me give you a lume view. Okay, now you see the watch is not charged with LED lamps or any cheating, but of course there was sun in this room. But you see the point, this AP has a really good, really strong lume. Not that strong, for example, I got on the Patek Philippe Aquanaut, but good enough. And I guess this is matching the style of this highly precious luxury stainless steel sport watch. It is really not just a sport watch for me, because this is elegant for now, for my eyes. Time is changing. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and really sorry my bad English. I hope you like the watch, because that is the main point here, not my English talking. So thank you for watching, and see you later.